Hi, this is the Flymo Easiglide 300. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fold the handles up for when you're storing the lawnmower away. You can store this in two ways. You can either hang it up or you can leave it in the lying down position like it is now and then just fold the handles. So what I'm going to do first is show you, if you want to leave it in the lying down position, how to fold the handles. If you notice at the bottom of the handle it's got a space there, what you need to do is lift the handle up and push the handle into that gap, but you need to do both sides at the same time so you can push the handle forwards. First you want to just lift the handle up slightly, then push the handle in both sides. You have to push it quite firmly and then lift the handle over the lawnmower. Then you need to undo these two screws. You'll need to take them to the end of the screw as much as you can. Then fold this part of the handle back. Then you need to tighten the cable hook back up. Then you can wind your wire around. And then that's all you need to do, and that's ready to put away. Now, if you want to hang the lawnmower up when you store it away, first what you need to do is undo these two screws. So again, make sure you take the screw, take it to the end as much as you can. Then just fold the top handle over, and then you're going to hang the lawnmower from this part of the handle. Then tighten the cable hook back up, and then wrap your wire around. And then you just use this part of the handle to hang it up.